Hey y'all, I'm Mandy Thompson, artist, journaling instructor, and creator of Analog, a field guide for the soul. I'm also a lifelong nature lover. I grew up playing in the woods in southeast Georgia and riding bikes down the clay dirt roads in our area. And I often journal by making simple nature sketches from my front porch. And maybe you want to learn to make fast and easy nature sketches. Maybe you're going on a road trip, or you're hiking, you're going camping somewhere, or you're just having a beautiful day outside. And you'll be surprised how easy and accurate your sketching experience can be when I share a few tips with you. I want to teach you my simple approach to sketching from nature. It has three phases, okay? You start with simple shapes and textures, then you add some color patches, and then you finish with a few notes and details from the moment, writing some things out from the moment. Your sketches don't have to be clean or crisp, just lines of shape and texture and pops of color that will add life to your drawings. You throw in some notes and then you get on with it. You do your day. So I'm going to show you the process with a few time-lapse sketches, and I want you to watch for shapes, textures, and then color, and then finish with some of those notes from what I'm thinking and what's happening in the moment. Ready? Let's go. Did you see it in the time lapse? The simple shapes and textures, add some color patches, and then put some notes and details from the moment. That's it. It can be that simple. And these sketches that you're watching maybe took between 7 and 12 minutes of actual journaling time in real time. If you want to learn more about this, I recommend you hopping in with whatever Muir Laws is sharing. He has done great work with nature journaling, and in my mind is on the forefront of teaching this. It's where I learned some of this myself. He has great information out there about nature journaling. And remember that the goal is just to spend some time capturing the moment, being in the present, and do some journaling. And let nature inspire you, let the moment inspire you. and put it in your journal with both visual and verbal aspects, words and imagery. The combination is powerful. I hope this was helpful. Like, subscribe, comment, ask me any questions, y'all. I could talk about journaling all day. So shoot me anything you got, but really just spend some time on your porch, right? You'd be surprised what comes of it. Okay? Okay.